Levels of organization. Our body is an amazing wonder of the world. It is much more complex and complicated than it is thought to be. It is made up of different organs and organ systems. But how does it work? How do all of the different components come together to keep us alive, keep us functioning, and achieve our goals? That's what levels of organization is related to. In this video, we are going to look at the levels of organization in organisms, from smaller than cells to bigger than organs. Subatomic level. The journey towards life begins through subatomic particles. Most stable subatomic particles are electrons, protons, and neutrons. Electron has negative charge, proton has positive, while neutron has no charge. Atomic level. These subparticles combine in particular way that protons and neutrons lie in central position, giving rise to dense central nucleus with positive charge, while negative charged electrons revolve around nucleus, forming atom. We can define atom as smallest electrically neutral particle of an element that cannot exist in free state. Elemental level. Similar atoms combine and form element. Element is defined as a substance whose all the atoms have the same atomic number. Out of the 92 kinds of elements that occur in nature, 16 are called bioelements. Out of these bioelements, only 6, oxygen, nitrogen, calcium, phosphorus, hydrogen, carbon, make 99% of the total mass. Other 10, potassium, sulfur, chlorine, sodium, magnesium, iron, copper, manganese, zinc, and iodine, collectively make 1% of the total mass. Easy way to remember bioelements is, for major bioelements, 1 normal cap have Pearl chain, and for minor bioelements, Kashif mnemonically identify zinc cup, saved naughty clever magician fellow. Molecular level. Bioelements usually do not occur in isolated forms, rather they combine through ionic or covalent bonding, forming stable particle called molecule or biomolecule. Biomolecules are classified as micromolecules and macromolecules. Micromolecules are with low molecular weight. Examples are glucose, molecular weights. For example, starch, proteins, lipids. Organelle level. Biomolecules assemble in a particular way and form organelles. Organelles are defined as subcellular structures that assemble together to form cells, units of life. Cellular level. A cell is the basic unit of life that consists of well-assembled and well-organized organelles. Each type of organelle is specialized to perform a specific function. For example, mitochondria are specialized for cellular respiration, and ribosomes are specialized for protein synthesis. Thus, within the cell, there is a division of labor. The journey of levels of organization of unicellular organisms, that are prokaryotes, and most protists, ends here, because the entire organism consists of a single cell. However, in multicellular organisms, that are most fungi, all animals, and all plants, the organism consists of up to trillions of cells, so the journey still continues. Tissue level. Similar cells, performing similar functions, are organized into groups, called tissues. Tissue can be defined as a group of similar cells specialized for the performance of a common function. Each cell in a tissue carries on its own life processes, like cellular respiration, protein synthesis, but it also carries on some special processes related to the function of the tissue. There are different types of plant tissues that are epidermal tissue, ground tissue, etc. Animal tissues are also of different types, for example, nervous tissue, muscular tissues, etc. Organ level. In higher multicellular organisms, more than one type of tissue having related functions are organized together, and make a unit, called organ. Different tissues of an organ perform their specific functions, and these functions collectively become the function or functions of that organ. For example, stomach is an organ, specialized for the digestion of proteins, and for storing food. Two major types of tissue are present in its structure. Epithelial, that are glandular tissue, secretes gastric juice for the digestion of proteins. Muscular tissue performs contractions of stomach walls for grinding of food, and moving food to posterior end. So, two tissues perform their specific functions, which collectively become the function of stomach. Organ system level. Different organs, performing related functions, are organized together, in the form of an organ system. In an organ system, each organ carries out its specific function, and the functions of all organs appear as the function of the organ system. Examples of organ systems are integumentary system, skeletal system, muscular system, respiratory system, digestive system, urinary system, circulatory system,